this dude right
Hey,
here.
hey. What I said? You mean, boy? Hey, it's good, YouTube. It's your boy JAYVISIONS, and today I just got on home. Damn, bro, shut the fuck up! And today I just got home, man. I see this video. LeBron James rides the New York City, so I'm guessing Cleveland too, right? They ride the MTA, the subway. I don't know why am I calling it subway? The freaking train, bro. The freaking train. They taking the train, bro. And let's see how it goes. Let's see if they get any New Yorkers. Let's see how it goes. Let's see what they go through on the train, man. Let's get it. Yeah. Yeah. They in 34th Street. If you're from New York, you know that they in the 34th Street right now. 34th Street. Yo, yo, I could just imagine, bro, these tall bro. These tall ass man. I swear to God. Imagine these.
First time, no, it's my second time, but it's my first time getting on in New York, though. I got on in Philly before, but not here in New York.
Welcome to New York trains, man. Hopefully it's a good ride. You feel me? Hopefully it's a good ride. Cause today, my train ride, that shit was horrible. So maybe for you it would be better, you know.
As long as I'm getting on the right damn train, that's all I feel. I'm traveling like a real citizen, man.
A real citizen. Are you high? Nah. I'm playing, JR. I'm playing. The whole squad is in there, man. Gang.
Decided to take a different transportation this time.
Yeah.
Where we at, Kyle?
LeBron right now is one of them annoying train riders, bro. That's always on their snap, talking mad loud. No disrespect, LeBron, but I'm talking from experience, you know.
We had a 45-minute bus ride or a 6-minute train ride. So we decided to hop on the train with the squad.
Yeah, yes sir. Nigga can't even fit. Boy can't even fit on the train, bro. That's crazy.
What's the question? What's the question? I don't know this dude, right?
Hey. What I said? You mean, boy?
Hey, we on this train? We out here, dog.
Yeah, we out here.
Hey, we on this train?
Wait, let me write that, bro.
Oh, this dude right here, he tripping.
That's a true New Yorker, bro. That's crazy. How you gonna do that to LeBron James, bro? That's LeBron James, bro. Dang, I got me teared up and shit. He don't care if that's LeBron. He a New Yorker. On my face. Look at that security guard.
Hey, well, we on this train? Yeah, we out here, dog.
We out here, yeah. Yeah.
We on this train. Yeah, we got more room now.
Yeah, imagine LeBron with a do-rag. I think he had a do-rag. I don't know. I think that's a do-rag. Hey, watch out, man. Watch out, man.
Hey, Brown, chill out.
That ass, bro.
Headed back to the hotel.
My man was wildin'.
How was that subway ride?
Hey, I
Ride through the city, baby. Ride through the city. Lifetime experiences, man. We do it.
That's crazy how us New Yorkers, it's crazy how us New Yorkers, we walk this every day. We walk by that, and to the outsiders, bro, it's like amazing. It's like a dream come true. And I'm not saying that in a bad way. I'm actually, that's actually dope. So that's why I always say that. Let me finish the video. I'll finish the comments. Yeah, the whole squad in downtown. Are they around Chambers?
Oh my God!
Groupies. Oh. No, that would be a groupie too if I see them. Like, they gonna stand out, bro. They like 6'8". They tall. They tall, bro. Come on. Yeah. Look at them. You saw those. Look. Look at those normal size humans. And look at them. Unbelievable. Oh my god. Oh. That's dope, bro. I actually like that. Hey. Watch it. Hello. Watch it. Hello. Yeah. Splash. That's it. Aye. But yeah, as I was saying in the video, I think it's dope how outsiders come to this city, New York, and then they enjoy being here. Like, I find it dope how outsiders, even like celebrities, or like, for example, this team, the Cleveland Cavaliers, like IT just said, this is unbelievable. This is a dream come true. That's crazy how people actually truly feel about coming to New York. And for me, that a person who lives in New York, I see this every day. I walk it. I go to school downtown. I take the train every single day. Well, most of the week. I take the train and I must say I hate it. But to them, to these people, it's amazing. They love it. Cause that's what they see on movies, like, wow, the New York. So I think it was pretty dope how they decided to take the train, be normal citizens of the United States, and take the train in New York. So I think it was pretty dope, man. Yeah, it's been your boy JAYVISIONS, man. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that. You feel me? Mini Rock, all of that. You feel me? Mini Rock, New York, we in here.